This is Call of Duty, player ones and YouTube. This is Call of Duty, player ones and Okay, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get any ringtone you want for your iDevice, and this is how we're going to do it. You need to go to audico.com or .net, and you're going to need a song, let's see, such as this one. Any MP3 format song that you have in your iTunes or anywhere else will work. And then you're going to click upload, and you're going to find the song that you want. It's going to upload. It only gives you 30-second songs, a normal sized ringtone. Depending on your connection, depends on how long this will take. And once we upload it, we will pick where we want the ringtone to be, download it back to your desktop or wherever you want to download it to, with a different name, ringtone at the end if you like, and then open up iTunes and put it in through your iTunes account, iTunes library. So it's a very fast and easy way to get any ringtone you want. If you don't have the song, find some way to illegally download it, or legally if you have the money. This is just a nice song right here that I like. Okay. You can have fade in and fade out.
100 yards from the spot where me and Grandpa fished, there's a piece of his old fruit stand on the side of Sawmill
and then
Road.
create.
He'd be there peeling peaches if it was 20.
You pick the part of the song you want, you click create, you can describe it or not, and let's see. Anything you want, edit, and now here it is. And they also have a list of songs that were uploaded by other people, and once you upload it, you can then download it, and then other people can also download whatever you uploaded. So download, here it is, show in folder, here it is in the download, and you can see, let's see, then you'll just open up iTunes like I said and drag it to your iPhone's ringtones, or if you're going to do it with a different phone other than the iPhone, however you would drag it there, do that. And that's how we get any ringtone we want, fast and easy. audico.net. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Ask for future videos. I always say this. If you want me to show you how to do something, just ask and I'll look it up and I'll make a video on it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.